Hey folks, Mobile Geezer again. We're on our way out to dinner, so I thought I'd use this opportunity to give you my usual example of the rear-facing camera on the Huawei Mate 9. So right now we're getting ready to pull out of our development. And this Mate 9 seems to have a beautiful camera, at least for daylight. So this is the sample of video that I wanted you to see for today. Of course, you'll see the same scenes that we always see, which I think is generally a good idea because you certainly have something to compare to with the other videos I've shown you on other phones. So now we'll take it down the road, the main road outside of our development that you always see. So hopefully you'll get a good idea of how the video does on this phone. Okay folks, getting ready to get on the highway in our usual spot. Hope you can hear me okay. Guess I'll have to do my usual open window test to see how the microphone's picking me up. So here we go as usual. Now I'm gonna open the window and see if you can still hear me. Let me know in the comments how the audio sounds and how it sounds with the window open. Closing it up now.
But there's no smell-o-vision.
And you'll see our usual signs coming up in a moment. As far as I've seen so far, the video on this Mate 9 is pretty awesome. This is my first real test of the video on the rear-facing camera, so you let me know in the comments what you think. My wife turned off the air conditioner, thank goodness.
Oh, shut up. I know how to get even.
Did you hear that, folks? Did you hear that? That's a Jersey girl for you.
I will always get even with you.
Anyway, folks, that's our test for today. I hope you liked it. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye now.